ziko hapa.
Mateta ma wishi wa thakame guku bururi-ini na kwendio nja wa bururi makoretwo makiyumiria na gucungiriria unyihu bengi-ini cia thakame, na unyihu uyu urakiririo na makiria mwaka muthiru riria murimo wa COVID-19 watuthukire na ugu andu aingi matinakorwo makiheana thakame kuringithania na miaka iyo ingi ya hau kabere. Na ni kurumirira wishi uyu minista wa muingi Mutahi wa Kagwe augite ati thirikari ni gathikite mitaratara mirumu ya gutigirira mitugo ino ni yahuka.
Transparency and efficiency on ICT, and that's why we have been discussing these matters with the World Bank and other donor institutions, so that in managing the blood that we get, it is not just a question of collecting the blood, is not just a question of donors contributing blood, is also a question of managing it and ensuring that we are able to track blood from the giver to the user, so that you know where it came from and where it finally went.
Mutahi na uria ukwaragia ceceni nene ya uheani wa thakame thibitari-ini ya Kenyatta ni ugite motungata ma uheani wa thakame ni makugacirithio guothe bururi-ini niguo gutigirira motungata maya ni mayukio na njira iria yagiriire.
We have never really developed a blood policy in our nation, and therefore the team has embarked on this very vital aspect of policy development, so that we are talking not just about developing a policy as regards blood, but also tissue. Today in this country, if you wanted to give your kidney to somebody, there isn't clarity about how that would be done.
Na riri muthi wa gukungwira wendo ukuhiriirie, Kagwe ni ikitiritana kuri muingi kuheana thakame irita njira imwe ya kuonania wendo kuri aria maramifatara.
And as we head for Valentine's Day, what I would like to say is that if there is a gift that would be a fantastic gift to give Kenyans on Valentine's Day, it would be blood.
Hindi ya igongona riri ya Kenya iri na ria makoretwo na wirutiri munene hari kuheana thakame ni matugirwo ni Mutahi wa Kagwe. Kennedy Sanya ni umwe wa aria matugirwo amu ni aheanite thakame kwa ihinda ria miaka 39 akiuga o mwaka aheanaga thakame maita matatu.
Hiyo ku save maisha ya Mkenya mwenzangu, nikaona wacha nitoe damu save Mkenya ambao hutaikutana naye maisha yako, lakini utajua kwa maisha yako ya kwamba umesave Mkenya mwenzako.
Sanya ugite kuri na uguni munene wa gukorokiana thakame, akiuga no aguthie na mbere na giko giki kia o mundu
kwa na afya, na nafikiri Mungu asahau wale watu ambao wanatenda wema wende zao. Mungu amenibariki kwa njia mingi sana.
Mwaka mwituku ruhonge rwa DCI ni rwambikire uthuthuria rauria thakame guku bururi-ini yairwo na kwendio mabururi-ini turigainie ta bururi-ini wa Somalia. Kuringana na uthuthuria, no gicunjĩ kia 1 harĩ igana kia Kenya kiaheanite thakame gatagati-ini ka mwaka wa 2018 na 2019. Thakame iria ni muigana wa uniti 164 kuringithania na uniti milioni 1 iria cibataranagia kuheanwo niguo gutigirira bururi nduri na unyihu oro mwaka. Ritana kuma kuri Ministry ugima wa mwiri ni ya Kenya makorwo makiheana thakame niguo gukorwo makihonokia mioyo ya andu aria marabatara thakame. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV de kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, ritu rakwa ni Wanjiru wa Forum.